Screen mirroring missing from your iPhone control center? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to bring it back in under a minute. First, make sure you're checking the right place. On iPhone 10 or newer, swipe down from the top right corner. On older models, swipe up from the bottom edge to open Control Center. If the screen mirroring button still isn't there, let's dig into settings to check your Control Center options. On your iPhone, open Settings, then tap Control Center. This is where you manage which shortcuts appear. Here, make sure Access within apps is turned on so Control Center and screen mirroring can show up while you're using your phone. If that was already on, or the screen mirroring icon is still missing, let's go through a few more fixes. Fix 1. Restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and volume button. Slide to power off. Wait a few seconds. Then turn it back on and check Control Center again. Fix 2. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on and that your iPhone and TV or streaming device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Fix 3. Make sure your TV or streaming device actually supports AirPlay and that AirPlay is turned on in the settings. Fix 4. Update your iPhone. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. Still not seeing it? Sign out and back into your Apple ID. Then restart the phone once more and test screen mirroring again. Once it's fixed, swipe to open Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring. Choose your TV, and your iPhone screen should appear instantly. Subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes.